So this is a gate problem number 28 for induction motor. It states that a delta connected 3.7 kilowatt 400 volt line 3 phase 50 hertz squirrel cage induction motor has following equivalent circuit parameters per phase referred to stator. This R1 equals to 5.39 ohm, R2 equals to 5.72 ohm, X1 equals to X2 is equals to 8.22 ohm. Neglect the shunt branch, the starting line current when connected to 100 volt line AC source. Okay, now if we recall, first of all I need to apologize for the previous tutorial when I am just drawing the equivalent circuit. I told that it is referred to primary. In case of transformer it is primary, but here for the induction motor this is referred to stator, right? So now coming to the problem that these circuit parameters are given. Starting line current when connected to 100 volt line voltage, so our V phase equals to 100 divided by root 3, right? Now okay, one thing I need to write, this is 10 hertz in this question. Okay, now for 50 hertz we have X equals to 8.22 ohm. So this will be not same equal to for 10 hertz because X just proportional to F. S means X equals to 2 pi F L, right? So this is for 50 hertz. This is for 50 hertz. So for 10 hertz the value of x1 and x2 will be not like 8.22. So we need to first calculate the x1 and x2 for 10 hertz. Now for 50 hertz this is 8.22. So 10 hertz 8.22 into 10 divided by 50, right? So this will be equals to 1.644 ohm, and this is x1 equals to x2, right? Now we can recall from the previous tutorial, IST equals to V phase divided by R1 plus R2 square plus x1 plus x2 square, right? Now this V phase equals to 10 100 by root 3 divided by R1 is 5.39 plus 5.72 this square, and this is the same value x1 and x2, so we need to write 2 into 1.644 square and root over of this, right? So I'm just erasing this part. So this will be equals to 4.934 amps. So this is his phase current, and our question is for starting line current. So I starting line current is 3 into 4.934, and this is equals to 14.94 ampere. Okay, so this will be 14.94, right?